you have a little bit of that which is compulsory, outstanding, but you have a lot of voluntary which is there, which was yours. That's why they say you get closer and closer and closer to Allah the more voluntary deeds you do. When you make your 5 daily prayers a day, meaning every day you fulfill the 5 farad. Many people are doing that. What makes you different? What makes you different is the quality. Number one. Number two, over and above the farad, that's from you. You know, zakah is charity. You're supposed to give, in most cases, 2.5% of your savings. In most cases, okay? I'm sure you know how to work it out. But the real test is how much are you going to give more than that? The 2.5 was always Allah's. Whatever you gave more than that, that's you. That is now you. Are you going to prove to Allah, oh Allah, I'm going to give, for example, 5%, 10%. Or I'm just going to give here and there without even looking. Wherever there's a need, I'm going to try. Wherever there is a need, I'm going to try. There are people like that. A lot of us, I'd like to think, wherever there is a need, if you can help, zakat or no zakat, you are going to give because you know Allah actually watches what you do. Are you only going to give from what is His, or are you going to give now over and above that bonus what is yours?